Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to draw an avocado in Adobe Illustrator. Watch my video till the end, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First we set the color. Enter the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. We select the object and touch the E key on the keyboard. Free transform tool is activated. We compress the upper part of the rectangle with free dister. While doing this, you need to hold Shift plus Alt keys on the keyboard. With the selection tool, we ovalize all the points of the object. We multiply the object and make two numbers. You can do this from the Edit panel or copy it with Ctrl plus C on the keyboard. You can multiply with Ctrl plus F. We select the object on the right, enter the Path button in the Object panel and make a small copy of it by Offset Path and change its color. We select our new object, go to the Path button in the Object panel and create a small copy of it by Offset Path and change its color. We draw a circle with the Ellipse tool and set its color. Don't forget to like the video for more videos. When you like my video, more people see it and it motivates us. We select the circle, enter the Path button in the Object panel and make a small copy of it by Offset Path and change its color. With the selection tool, you can slightly raise the top point of both circles and give them some flexibility to make them look more natural. We select the circle, enter the Path button in the Object panel and make a small copy of it by Offset Path and change its color. We get a shadow effect by drawing a circle with the Ellipse tool and cutting it with the Pathfinder tool. We add a few more details. In the other object, we add the details of the shadow and light sides by repeating the same steps. And our avocado vector is ready. Your support is very important for better quality videos. You can support us by subscribing to one of the monthly packages on our Patreon account by visiting the link below. Those who want to buy the vectors created in the videos can visit the second link below and go to our online store. Please note that all vectors in the online store are free for Patreon supporters. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will wait for your feedback. If there is a detail you do not understand, do not hesitate to write to me. Have a nice day.